Hey guys, today we're going to be installing the Tyger T1 roll bed cover. All right, so the first thing you want to do, get your rail set up here. Just get one on the left, one on the right. Get them just kind of on there. Then we're going to get this roll, the roll part out. We're going to pick it up here. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do this all with one hand here. So you see on the edge, we have these little screws right here with a little nut in the back. Sorry, right there, a little nut in the back. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and take these out, but these are actually going to go right into here. So kind of push these forward a little bit. And we're gonna grab this whole thing right here. So this nut goes right in here on the end. So it's a pain. There we go. Okay, now straight in. Now this goes straight into there. Once it is slid in, you put this in there and go ahead and tighten down. Okay, cool. Now we're going to repeat the same step on the other side. Okay, now it's nice and tight. Now leave everything loose. We got to move this kind of thing around. All right, so now we got the rails. We got the front part attached. You got to leave these loose. What we're going to do is we're going to unroll this thing out. Of course, I got a B right there. These kind of just unhook right here. There's a little hook. You just unhook that side. Go over here, unhook this side. We're gonna go ahead and slowly just roll this thing out. So all we're trying to do right now is get this thing straight. That's all we're trying to do. All right, guys, you're gonna kind of have to play with this a tiny bit to get it, everything up in there straight. So the reason you leave this all loose is because now you got to kind of adjust this. I mean, it's going to go back and forth, and you got to figure out where this thing needs to really sit. So you're going to kind of just have to play with this thing back and forth till you figure out where this thing needs to go. You don't want it too far forward, but you also don't want it too far back. You know what I mean? You got to make sure your tailgate will close. These are the brackets right here. This will screw into that, or just kind of slide in there. This is going to come up from the top down, so this thing can move like such. And I added the washer. It doesn't come with that, so just any cheap washer will fit that thing, and that will be on the bottom. This is going to go onto the top of the new Tyger T1, and this goes into the bottom of your rail, and it tightens down. I'll show you that, but just kind of give you an overview of how this thing actually goes together here. Go ahead and put, you have 3 per side. So this thing needs to actually fit up there in this channel. You'll kind of feel it. It'll kind of go in there. So I'm going to do it, looks like about right in the middle here. This part goes underneath. This goes inside here. Get these to line up. Okay. And you guys want to feel under that rail. There's a couple places where the top little plastic cover thing has like a little notch that kind of comes down, and of course you can't put it there. This needs to be flat on there. Okay, we're gonna just hand tighten all these. So 3 per side. All right guys, once you get all 6 on, we're going to go ahead and tighten them down until 10 millimeter up top, 10 on the bottom again. Just kind of snug that up. Going tight, we're not going to go ham. Okay, we're going to go back to the front again. Do that both sides. Okay, so got everything on, everything's nice and tight. How to open this now? There's a cord on both sides. You pull it, and then just roll back. Roll this thing up here. Perfect. And throw these around the top. Gotta go back, same thing. And you see these little feet? They kind of go in on both sides. And that's what gives it that down, and we are good to go. That's it. And if you guys needed to, mine came actually perfect right out of the box. If you say you get it and it's all kind of loose, you know, kind of flappy and whatnot, you can actually loosen this up and then move this back or forward. Maybe it's too tight, so you can move that back or forward if you guys need to get your top tight. But that's pretty much it, guys. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also too, if you could subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Questions, go ahead and put them down in the comments below.